Hey guys, it's Robert from TallguysRC coming at you at the YouTube network. Hey guys, we're out this morning flying the 7 from my friends at ThehangarRC. I built myself the red and white one and running an all-stock setup, APC 9047 prop. I'm going to be flying with a Venom 2200 milliamp 3-cell battery pack. I think I got all the CG dialed in. Flying with my trusty DX8E radio. So let me plug in the battery, check my rates, and let's do some flying. Hey guys, awesome Maiden. Everything went great. The only thing I have to work on is with the setup I did, and I added a battery compartment. My CG is still wrong. I need to add some more weight to the front. Had to trim it out with extreme down elevator so I could get the plane to level out. But once it was leveled out, plane flies amazing. Kudos to Sam and the guys over at the HarC. Great plane, easy to build. I will put a link in the description where you guys can get one. The cool part about this plane is at the HarC, they offer a bunch of different skins, so you can actually decorate your plane in the way you want to decorate it. something kind of different than the other guys that are doing foam planes. Plane flies amazing. As I said, the only thing I need to do is work on the center of gravity. Have to add a little weight to the nose, and otherwise it rolls amazingly. It'll loop. Was going to fly it inverted, but it being tail heavy, when I rolled it upside down, it was hard for me to pull the nose up, so I'm gonna have to add some nose weight so I can have a little bit better deflection on my elevator, and then the plane will be amazing. Thanks again, guys, and thanks to my friends at ThehangarRC for an amazing build. Pick yourself up a 7 today. Great price, easy to build, great weekend project, and more videos coming soon.